How you all doing? Right then, in this video we're going to be working on the Suzuki Burgman, and I will say right now it is the 18th of May 2026 and it is now the 13th of June 2026, and finally I have worked out why this bike is not starting, and it's not good news.
Johnny Stark nuts, can you fix it?
So yeah, let's get on with it. So far, as some of you probably know, I've done an oil change. The oil change has been done. We've got rid of the flashing oil change light. It's quite simple on this one. All you have to do is, there's a button this side and a button that side, is press that, keep it depressed with the ignition off, and then turn the ignition on, and then that will start to flash. And then when the oil change light starts to flash, turn the ignition off again. It's simple. And then the oil change light just goes off like magic. I have had all this engine cover off to check all the static timing. Right, so I've got all this off so I can check the timing. I know you don't need to take that off, as there is a little viewing window in the side of the engine. The timing mark, you've got to get the T-mark line lined up with that, and the piston should be at top dead centre. So I'm going to check that now. Hopefully you can see that. That's the timing mark there, and that's the timing mark on the case there. Yes, so I think that's okay. Yeah, I've taken all this off because I've got to get the multimeter and try and work out how you test everything. And I've also had the top of the engine off to set the tappets up. Just slacken them off. Here we go. That's one. That's two. And that's three. That one's slightly different. Should eventually come off. Here we go. We can lift that out of the way carefully. And there we go. We've got 4 tappets to set up. 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. So they'll be the inlet valves. And at the bottom will be the outlet valves. Let me just tell you that you will need to remove all the plastic from this side. If you go to the back of the engine, you have to remove that little loop there for the timing mark. And you will have to remove this side casing just here with the dust filter, and that in the middle there we can get a socket and turn the engine anti-clockwise till we get the timing mark set up, and then we can set the valves with some feeler gauges. I didn't set the tappets up on this video because I just wanted to get it done, and I've also taken the throttle body off, which was in pretty a bad way. There was all corrosion around the lip here, same this side, and all corrosion on the actual sealing rubber. So I bought some new sealing rubbers, and that's ready to go back on. Okay, so we've got the new seal kit, 2 new seals. Whack that seal into there. Make sure it's not going to fall out. I don't know if you can see that, but somebody did stick the other one on. There's the old one. I don't know if you can see, it's all flat and it's all covered in super glue. They actually super glued it to this. Just let me try and get that super glue off, and we'll fit that seal into there and close this hole up. Right, so that's that cleaned off. Right, so that's that cleaned off. I just used a little blade. So that rubber seal is sitting in there nicely, it won't fall out, so that's all good. This rubber seal on here just keeps falling out, so obviously because I've got to tip it upside down to fit it, it wants to stay in there, so I've just got to put a bit of black silicone gasket thing on there. Hopefully it will stop this gasket falling out. There we go. Pull that out there. Whack that one there. There we go, that's the throttle body back on. Now we can connect all the pipes and the wires back up and put the filter back on. Right then, let's get all these wires sorted out. Okay, so that's the wiring looking a bit neater. I've just got to put the air filter on and plug all them into the air filter. Okay, so that's the air filter box back on, all connected up, all pipes connected up. So now we can get the exhaust on. I did do the welding on the exhaust, but I didn't film it. So you can probably see there, I've just welded that plate in there and welded that plate in there. It's not brilliant welding, I know, but it does its purpose. And if we go to the big bracket, welded a plate in there and welded a plate in there. And hopefully I haven't altered all the measurements, otherwise it won't fit back onto there. So anyway, let's get that on. Okay, so it's not looking good. I've had the bike all back together again, put the new battery on, tried to start it up, and there was a couple of pops and bangs, and 2 flat batteries later it still wouldn't start. So I finally bit the bullet. I should have done this years ago and bought one of these. Ta-da! Yes, a compression tester. And I've already checked the compression, and it should be up here somewhere in the hundreds. And my compression was down there somewhere in the 20s. So I think we safely could say that this bike needs a top end overall. So yes, it turns out I should have listened to you lot right from the very beginning, because you were right. It's not very often you're wrong, but you were right. Check the compression, Johnny. Stubborn Johnny Stucknuts, 40 knows best. But it just goes to show that creators should always listen to their viewers. Slap on the wrist. Hold the camera steady, Johnny. Where's the engine gone? Oh, there it is. So now we've got to take all that off and have a look inside. So yeah, if you want to start doing projects, buy one of these immediately. So yes, that won't be in this video, it'll be in the next video. Thank you everybody for the comments that I didn't really listen to. Well, mainly because I couldn't afford to buy one of those, but I have bought one now and we've got one. But yeah, thanks for the comments. Keep the comments coming, keep the thumbs ups coming, because that all helps my channel to keep going. And as always, stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you.
I'll see you in another life, brother.
Fixing stuff with Jody stuck nuts on lights. When it's a fixed up, I'll be riding in the wind. If I don't see you in this life, I'll see you in another life, brother. Fix it right. You've gotta follow your dreams.